ancient India and the spread of Buddhism. In addition to Hinduism, another major world religion developed in ancient India, Buddhism. Buddhism was based on the teachings of Siddhartha Gautama. He preached a new way of life to end suffering. The Mauryas united India and created the first Indian empire. During their reign, Buddhism spread throughout India. Later, the Gupta Empire emerged. They started a golden age in India when culture and science thrived. What's nirvana? Imagine having great wisdom and compassion and being free from suffering. This state of peacefulness is called nirvana. Reaching nirvana is the goal of Buddhism. A. The name Buddha means the enlightened one. Siddhartha Gautama was called Buddha because of his wise teachings on how to live a good life. Gathering the facts. Directions. Read the introduction and the history question, what's nirvana? Also, look at the picture A and read its caption. Use the information to complete the following paragraphs. 2 major world religions developed in India, blank and Buddhism. Blank developed after Hinduism had spread throughout India. It was based on the teachings of a wise man named blank. He became known as blank, which means the enlightened one. His teachings focused on a new way of life to end blank. The goal for Buddhism is to achieve a state of peacefulness called blank. India was united by a family named the blank. They created the first Indian blank. After the Mauryan Empire fell, the blank empire changed. Under the rule of the Gupta, blank and blank thrived. Be sure to look back at the readings and the captions above to help you fill in the blanks.